Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel Learning English with Pak Nur. Jumpa kembali dengan channel saya Belajar Bahasa Inggris bersama Pak Nur. Alright guys, now we'd like to discuss about the difference between because of, and due to. Maybe some of you are still confused about these phrases. Mungkin di antara Anda masih bingung membedakan ketiga conjunction atau kata sambung, ya. Oke, apa bedanya because, kemudian because of, and due to, ya. Oke. Because usually followed by clause. Because itu nanti diikuti oleh anak kalimat. Sedangkan because of followed by noun or verb ing. Because of diikuti oleh noun atau verb ing. And then due to diikuti oleh noun, ya. Because itu artinya karena, because of dikarenakan, due to ini juga dikarenakan, ya. Oke, untuk melihat perbedaan ketiganya, please have a look at the examples below. Mari kita perhatikan contoh-contoh berikut ini. Number 1, because he was ill, he didn't come to the meeting. Karena ia sakit, ia tidak datang ke pertemuan, ya. Kemudian setelah because diikuti he was ill. Ya, he was ill ini adalah clause, ya. Kemudian kalau kita menggunakan because of menjadi because of being ill, he didn't come to the meeting. Dikarenakan sakit, dia tidak datang ke pertemuan. Esensinya atau substansinya sebetulnya sama, tetapi because of ini diikuti oleh verb ing, ya. Nah, karena ill ini adalah kata sifat, maka depannya adalah because of being ill, karena sakit. Kemudian kalau due to ini diikuti oleh noun, due to his illness, he didn't come to the meeting. Disebabkan sakitnya, ia tidak datang ke pertemuan. Jadi esensinya atau substansinya ketiga kalimat itu sama, tetapi bisa diungkapkan dengan menggunakan because, saya diungkapkan dengan because of, dan bisa juga diungkapkan dengan due to. Oke, now please have a look at the example number 4, 5, and 6. Kita perhatikan contoh kalimat nomor 4, 5, dan 6. Number 4, because there was economic crisis, many people became jobless. Karena ada krisis ekonomi, banyak orang menjadi jobless, kehilangan pekerjaan. Number 5, because of economic crisis, many people became jobless. Kemudian kalau due to economic crisis, many people became jobless. Jadi nomor 5 and 6, because of dengan due to ini sama, bisa digunakan secara bersamaan, ya. Alright, demikian guys contoh-contoh yang saya berikan, kalimat yang menggunakan conjunction atau kata sambung, because, kemudian because of, dan due to. Now we go on with exercises. In these exercises we have to combine this pair of sentences using because of, and due to. Mari kita coba gabungkan pasangan kalimat berikut dengan menggunakan because of, dan due to. Number 1, it rained heavily. The meeting was postponed. Kalau kita terjemahkan, hujan sangat deras, pertemuan ditunda. Nah, kalau because menjadi because it rained heavily. Nah, ini clause, ya. The meeting was postponed. Kalau menggunakan because of raining heavily, bentuk ing tadi, ya. Ini sama, the meeting was postponed. Kemudian kalau due to menjadi due to heavy, jadikan benda ini ya. Due to heavy rain, rain ini sebagai benda. The meeting was postponed. Ya, ini dikit beda antara because of dan due to ya. Because of raining heavily. Kalau due to heavy rained. Kemudian number 2, Mr. Budi is very busy. He cannot attend our invitation. Tuan Budi sangat sibuk, dia tidak bisa menghadiri undangan kita. Ini menjadi because Mr. Budi is very busy. He cannot atau cannot attend our invitation. Sekarang kalau menjadi because of being busy, Mr. Budi cannot sama nih attend our invitation. Sekarang kalau menggunakan due to his business ya, jadikan noun. Due to his business, Mr. Budi cannot attend our invitation. Okay, alright, we have studied the examples of the sentences using the conjunction because of, and due to. And so we have done the exercises of how to combine the sentences using because of, and due to. Okay, hopefully you can understand it well. Semoga kalian bisa memahami dengan baik. I think that's all. Don't forget to turn the subscribe, like, and also give your comment. Jangan lupa bagi yang belum subscribe untuk menekan tombol subscribe, like, dan berikan komentar Anda. Thanks a lot and see you again.